Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how we solve for the difference of two numbers. I have here the program that solves for the sum of two numbers, the one that we created last time. Now we're going to modify some of the codes here. So first thing is, let's going to change this one. So we're going to solve or compute the difference of two numbers. Okay. Next is we're going to still use string 1, string 2 for our first and second number. And then this one here will be the difference is, okay? Let's move to our code section here. So for our code section, we'll still have our clear screen. This is our clear screen. Then we're going to have our move AX so that we could point to our data segment here. Now this one displays for our string 1. Now there's another way for us to display our string 1 aside from using the layer here. I'll demonstrate it to you or show it to you. Let's put this as a remark. What I would like you to do is we're going to add another line that is move bx offset string 1. So if you will not use load effective address, you could use offset string 1 here. Okay, so it's the same as somehow the same as this one, this line here, but we're going to use offset. Okay, later we'll check if it works. Okay, so this one here inputs our stored value and move it and stored it to our AL register. Now we move the data from AL to BL so that it will not be overwritten. Let's remark this one here and then add another line. So this one here asks for what? Move dx offset string 2. Okay, this is now string 2. Okay, then interrupt 21. After that, let's input the value again. Okay, now we're going to get the difference now. Let's use this sub or subtract. Now we're going to subtract BL. Now wait, let's double check this one here. So we have here move AH1 and then interrupt 21. So instead of this line here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to move our AL register to our CL register. Okay. Next is we have our subtract BL and then CL. Okay. And then we're going to have this line here. Now we're going to change this line here. Previously we used subtract so that it would somehow refer to the value of 0. This one we're going to add BL 48. Okay? Going to add now. Next is we're going to display. We're going to remark this one and then type here move dx offset string 3, and then we able to display the value. So this time our value is stored in our BL register, so BL to DL, interrupt 21H, and then we have our exit here. So let's check our code. By the way, we have not saved it, so I'm going to save as the file. I'm going to have it at sub1.assembly. Okay, so this is the file name. Let's open our DOSBox. Let's mount our drive. And then I'm going to look for our file. Okay, so we have the file already. Let's try to debug it. Hopefully, again, we don't have any problem here. So sub1.assembly. Okay, good. There's no problem. Let's link it. The link sub1.obj and then sub1. Enter. Okay, so we have our clear screen. Let's try to enter our first number 7 and then 3. Their difference is 4. Let's have another one. Let's have 9 and then 2. The difference is 7. So here's another program for implementing difference of two numbers. Hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.